Kasama din po natin dito sa SOP mamaya. Si Moy Moy Palaboy, buong hapon natin siyang kasama dito, makikipagkulitan siya sa atin. At ito na po, kinakabahan na po ako. Birthday celebration ka na po mamaya. Abangan niyo po yun.
Ayan o, lahat yan dito lang sa nag-iisa at #1 official concert party on TV, SOP!
Come on. Shoulda had them apple bottom jean boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shoulda got low. Them baggy sweatpants and the Reeboks with the straps. Turned around and gave that big booty a smash. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shoulda got low.
I ain't never seen nothing that'll make me go this crazy. I'm like spinning my dough. Had $1 million vibe in the body to go. Them birthday cakes, they stole the show. So sexual, she was flexible, professional, drinking Xano. Hold up, wait a minute, do I see what I think I will? Did a thing I seen, sure to get low. Ain't the same when it's up that close. Make it rain, I'm making it snow. Rip the pole, I got the bang bro. I must say that I prefer them no clothes. I'm into that, I love women exposed. She threw it back at me, I gave her more. Cash ain't a problem, I know where it goes. She had them.